Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making quick and easy chicken stock. So delicious and flavorful. So I was making chicken pot pie. Please check the link out for that one in the description. So I had one rotisserie chicken, which I went ahead and removed all the flesh. So to a pot I added the skins, the bones, some celery, carrots, onion, garlic, ginger, water, habanero pepper seasoned to taste, and allow this to cook or slow cook for about 2 hours on medium-low heat. And everything is going to infuse together really well. You can use the broth for soup, you can use it for stew, just anything that requires chicken broth. All right, so after you're done, you're going to strain that. All right, see all that goodness right there? Yeah, so we're going to remove that, and what we left with is this amazing broth. All right, so I just wanted to show you guys that. Thank y'all for joining me today. Do not forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.